Actually, when I started studying fold switching proteins, people thought I was nuts because they didn't think fold switching mattered or like had any biological meaning. But when I started seeing more examples of it, like both engineered and in nature, I thought that there was probably something bigger going on. And so I wanted to be able to investigate and understand how these proteins work, because I thought if we do understand better how these work, maybe we'll understand more about proteins in general. My lab actually integrates both computation and experiment. And so we come up with computational methods to be able to predict fold switching. We use a lot of bioinformatics because it's the most powerful method available to be able to do that on the computational end. But then once we've made our predictions, we take them to the lab. And so what we're doing now, because we want to be able to discover new fold switching proteins, is we're coming up with experimental methods to be able to screen for fold switching so we can really understand how biologically pervasive it is. So it turns out that fold switching proteins are relevant to a number of diseases: cancer, Alzheimer's, tuberculosis, even COVID-19. And so it seems that this fold switching mechanism is an important regulation mechanism that exists in biology. And we think it may be possible to make small molecules that would target fold switching proteins and lock them in one conformation, which may deactivate them. So you could imagine like a fold switching protein that causes disease. If you could prevent it from functioning, the disease might not be able to progress.